Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Safa and Marwa Kaya vlogs. Today we're diving one of the most iconic parts in Malaysia.
The convenience store.
The convenience store or CVS. So guys, we are on our way to CVS store Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The female version of a hustler. So guys, we arrived at CU's convenience store. Happy to see you. And a Korean sentence, I don't know. I think it says happy to see you also. So this is my first time going into a CU convenience store. So let's see the store. First up, the noodle section. Look at all these options. I think I'll go with this one. Next, the dessert section. CU has so many tempting choices.
Amazing.
Here are some Malaysian local food, but I can't find the nasi lemak. I think it's not here. I'm gonna put this first. One thing good about the convenience store is that when you buy meat, you make by yourself.
Amazing.
So guys, we have this noodle. It's called mee sedap. Sedap. Oh, mee sedap. Oh, okay. And it's soto. A bit hot. I love it so much. This is the best noodle which is not even spicy. Guys, this is literally so good. I love it so much. So good. It's not even spicy. You take this. Did you put this? So guys, it's called convenience store because you can cook and eat. Guys, I'm gonna eat my strawberry mochi now. Hey guys, I opened it. Mara, what are you doing now?
I'm eating my UP gummy pizza.
Can I have one slice?
Sure. Cut. And there's this one.
Thank you.
Look, it looks like a heart shape.
Oh yeah. Oh, giant Coca-Cola. So guys, I just finished having my meal now, so I'm gonna have giant Coca-Cola now. Wow! I accidentally ate the cap.
Amazing.
I have to throw this trash. And trust me, after trying all the snacks and drinks, I'm pretty sure I'll be back for more. God damn, what's wrong with my dry lips? There are some umbrellas here. There's even a menu outside. This bag is so cute. See you friends. Sticker. Oops guys, I'm wrong. It's a year-end Christmas deal from 1 December to 31st December. Not a menu. And hey, next time you're in a store, try pick up something you've never seen before. You might discover a new favorite snack. Mix it up your way, guys. Guys, once I open this fridge, this fan will off. Look. See, it's gonna off. See? Okay, and I think it's an ice. Yes, it is ice. Blue ice. Now let's see the green one. It's so cold. Green ice. You can also sit outside too. Yummy! Don't you need me? I can't need you now. Leave tomorrow, but tonight go crazy.
Oh my god, you guys, meet me at
Okay guys, so we're gonna go home now, but first I want to show you something which I got for me and Marwa. It is a cake pop. This pink one is for me.
And this black chocolate one is for me. I never tasted this brown one before, so let's taste it. Bismillah.
Is it yummy? Time for my one. I love the pink one, it's so yummy.